Hello everyone, this is Farhan Abid. Today we're going to talk about abacus division. We have learned about abacus multiplication like 1-digit multiplication 2-digit, 2-digit multiplication 2-digit, 3-digit multiplication 1-digit, and even 4-digit multiplication 1-digit. There are even more multiplications like 4-digit multiplication 2-digit, 4-digit multiplication 3-digit, and even 3-digit multiplication 3-digit. That is up for the future videos. Hopefully we'll do it later, but now specifically we're going to do abacus division. We have done subtraction, addition, multiplication, etc. Now at last we have division. So how do we do division? We did multiplication and we have to use multiplication while doing division. So let's give an example like 84 division, let's say what, 84 division 3. But how to do it exactly? You see, let's give it some numbers A, B, and C. In multiplication we have to do A multiplication C and B multiplication C, but this time that is not what we're going to do. We're going to do C divided by A and C divided by B. But how do we divide it exactly and how to do it? So let's just give an example. Here we're going to do 8. Okay, so we have 8. How many times can we do to 8? Only 2 times. So 2 multiplication 3 is actually 6. So we have to subtract 6 from it. So let us take our abacus and do it. For division we have no restrictions, we have no places that we have to take. We can just go anywhere and do it. Let's say 84 right here, and then since 2 multiplication 3 2 minus is 6 and we cannot go 9 because 3 multiplication 3 is 9 and 8 is not 9. So what we have to do is subtract 6. Now we got 24. Now, how many times do we go in 24? 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is a 6, 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12, 3 5 is a 15, 3 6 or 18, 3 7 is a 21 at last, 3 8 is 24. So do 3 8s we have to do an 8. But this time we have to actually serialize it. You see, we do C and A. C and A comes first. So A division C comes first and then B division C comes later. So B division C is 8 and together we have 68. Sorry, I think that was wrong. We got 28 because you see there is not actually 6 because 3 and 8 we can only go 2 times. So we have 28, 2 and 8. This is 20 and this is 8. So how do we do this? So let's take 84 right here in abacus. You can do it in any places. Then let's do a 3 multiplication 2 is 6. So we have to minus 60 because it is 80 and we have to do it. And after doing so, we got 24. Now to do 24, we have to do 3 multiplication 8, which is exactly 24. We summarize everything and we have 0. That means that this is the correct answer. We can also verify it doing multiplication. Like, let's do it here because multiplication always happens here. 3 and 2 is 6 and 3 and 8 is 24. What do we got? 84, exactly. And you must say that there are 2 digits here and there are 1 digit here, so there must be a 0, right? Wrong. There will be no zeros at all, but you can give it if you want, but there will be no need to do this. You can just do like 42 division 6. Now let's give them symbols A, B, C, A with C, B with C. So A with B, and let's see that C and A do not actually meet up. That means that we have to use both of them, both AB division C. But how to do this? 6 multiplication 1 is 6. 6 multiplication 2 is 12. 6 and 3 sixes or 18. 6 fours or 24. 6 fives or 30. 6 six or 36. And 6 sevens is 42. That is exactly matches up. We don't have to do anything. We can just say 7. And that is the answer. So we got 7 and it actually matches up. We can even test it out because 6 and 7 is 42. That is, we always know. So actually that was all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.